Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Good morning, student. How are you today?
Morning,
sir.
I'm good.
Okay, good. I'm good too. Thank you for asking. For the first, I will check your attendance and please raise your hand or say present if you dare. Okay?
Ya,
Muhammad Akil.
Ya, hadir.
Okay, good. Bintang Karisma Akbar.
present.
Good. Tia Aziza.
Present here, sir.
Okay, good. And then Nabila, Miss Nabila. Nabila, please on cam, please. Nabila.
Sorry, sir, my connection is not really good.
Okay, no problem. It's okay. Okay, before we start our lesson today, I will share my video and listen carefully because after I share, I will ask to you about the video. Okay, wait a minute, please.
Narrative story yang berjudul yang bisa kalian
Sudah terlihat?
Sudah.
Okay. Let's get started.
There was a prince that so in love with a beautiful woman named Dayang Sumbi. The prince was changed into a dog named Tumang after marrying Dayang Sumbi and had a son named Sangkuriang. Sangkuriang often went to hunt with Tumang. He did not know that Tumang was his father. One day, Sangkuriang met a deer in the forest. He remembered that his mother really liked the heart of a deer. He shot the deer, but he missed. He got really disappointed. Then he shot Tumang and got his heart and brought it to his mother. Dayang Sumbi was very happy until she asked him where Tumang was. Sangkuriang told the truth that it was Tumang's heart. Dayang Sumbi got angry and hit Sangkuriang's forehead. Sangkuriang left the house. Dayang Sumbi was praying to the god for having the eternal beauty. The god gave what her wish for. After that, she met the major Sangkuriang, and they loved each other. They decided to get married. Dayang Sumbi asked about Sangkuriang's scar on his forehead. He answered that he was hit by his mother. Dayang Sumbi was shocked and told him that she was his mother. Sangkuriang did not believe her. Then Dayang Sumbi agreed that they were still husband and wife with one condition. Sang Kuryang had to make a big boat in a night. Sang Kuryang said that he was able to do that. However, Dayang Sumbi made the chicken crowing. It was the sign that Sang Kuryang ran off the time. Sang Kuryang was so mad and kicked the boat. The boat was known as Gunung Tangkuban Perahu. Number 1.
Okay. Okay, student, what do you get from this video? And what the video mean in your opinion? Anyone to answer?
Me.
Okay, go on, Mas.
The story of Sang Kuryang from the province of West Java tells the story of a child who wants to marry a beautiful woman who turns out to be his own mother. And the text is included in the narrative text of the legend.
Okay, good. Give applause. Okay, so we will explain. Okay, good. So we will explain the narrative text. Okay, let's get started. Okay, wait a minute. I will share my PowerPoint. Sudah terlihat?
Sudah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Narrative text. Definition of narrative text. Narrative text is a kind of text to retell the imaginative or factual story that past tense. Jadi, teks naratif adalah jenis teks yang menceritakan kembali cerita imajinatif atau faktual yang berbentuk lampau. Okay, next slide. Genre of narrative text. There are fable, myth, legend, folktale, fairy tale, and love story. Fable. Fable is a story that tell the life of animal that behave like a human. Jadi, fable adalah cerita yang menceritakan kehidupan hewan yang memiliki perilaku seperti manusia. And then myth. Myth is a story set in the past containing an interpretation of the universe. Jadi, myth adalah mitos atau cerita yang berlatar masa lalu dan mengandung interpretasi tentang alam semesta. And then legend. Legend is an ancient folklore related to event and the origin of place. Legend atau legenda adalah cerita rakyat kuno yang berkaitan dengan peristiwa dan asal-usul suatu tempat. Okay, folk tales. Folk tale are tradition or custom and folklore that are passed down from generation of generation but not recorded. Jadi folk tale atau cerita rakyat yang diwariskan secara turun-temurun namun tidak dibukukan atau di record. And then fairy tales. Fairy tale is a simple story about magic creator such as a dragon, princess, giant, and many other. Jadi fairy tale atau dongeng adalah cerita sederhana tentang makhluk ajaib seperti peri, raksasa, naga, dan lain sebagainya. And then last is love story. Love story is text that usually use a romantic drama context. This text also can be romantic story that have a narrative and dialogue. Jadi love story atau cerita cinta biasanya digunakan pada drama romansa. Teks ini juga bisa menjadi cerita romansa yang memiliki narasi dan percakapan. Oke? Get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Next, social function of narrative text. The social function of narrative text is so amount or to entertain the reader with a story. Jadi, fungsi sosial dari narrative text adalah untuk menghibur si pembaca dengan sebuah cerita. Okay. The next is generic structure. In the generic structure, there are orientation and complication. Orientation is set the scenes and introduce the participants. And then the complication tell the problem of the story and how the main character solve them. The part include situation, activities, or events that lead problem to climax. It show when the crisis arise. Jadi orientation adalah apa ya? Untuk mengatur adegan atau memperkenalkan si pemeran. And then complication. Complication adalah munculnya masalah cerita di bagian karakter utama atau utama menyelesaikannya. Bagian ini mencakup situasi, kegiatan, atau peristiwa yang membawa masalah ke klimaks. Dan ini merupakan kapan krisis itu muncul. And then resolution. The crisis is resolved of better or worse. It shows the end of the story, usually a happy endings. And then the last is reorientation or coda. This is a closing remix to story and is optional. It consists of a moral lesson, advice of teaching from the writer. Jadi resolution adalah diselesaikannya krisis atau masalah menjadi lebih baik atau malah menjadi lebih buruk. Dan ini merupakan akhir dari cerita dan biasanya berakhir pada happy ending. And then reorientation atau coda. Reorientation atau coda adalah penutup pada cerita dan biasanya opsional. Kadang ada atau kadang tidak ada, tergantung dari ceritanya. Dan ini terdiri dari penjelasan moral, nasihat, atau pengajaran dari si penulis. Oke, get my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Oh.
The next is language feature of narrative text. Language feature of narrative text. There are the use of simple past tense. For example, walked, did, slept, and was. And the second is the use of non-phrase. For example, a beautiful princess, a clever boy, and good student. And then specific character, not general. For example, Cinderella, Snow White, and Alibaba. And then the next slide is the use of saying verb or thinking verb. Contohnya, say, tell, and ask. And then the use of connective. For example, first, before that, then, and finally. Okay, the last is the use of direct speech. For example, Snow White said, "My name is Snow White." Okay. And then is an example. Anyone to read the text?
I would like to try, sir.
Ada yang mau membaca teks naratif?
Nabila, sir.
Oke.
Saya, Pak.
Mifti, Mbak Mifti.
Oke, go on, Nabila.
The Legend of Rawapeni. Once upon a time, there was a little poor boy came into a little village. He was very hungry and weak. He knocked at every door and asked for some food, but nobody cared about him. Nobody wanted to help the little boy. Finally, a generous woman helped him. She gave him shelter and a meal. When the boy wanted to leave, this old woman gave him a lesson, a big wooden mortar for pounding rice. She reminded him, please remember, if there is a food, you must save yourself. Use this lesson as a boat. The lesson, or little poor boy, was happy and thanked to old woman.
Oke. Mau dilanjutin atau ada yang mau membaca lagi?
Boleh digantiin, Pak.
Oke.
Bintang.
Anyone to read the text, please?
Bintang semangat banget, Pak.
Oke, Bintang.
The little boy continued. The little boy continued his journey. While he was passing through the village, he saw many people gathering on the field. The boy came closer and saw a stick stuck in the ground. People challenged each other to pull out that stick. Everybody tried, but nobody succeeded. Can I try? Asked the little boy. The crowd laughed mockingly. The boy wanted to try his luck, so he stepped forward and pulled out the stick. He could do it very easily. Everybody was dumbfounded. Suddenly, from the hole left by stick, water spouted out. It did not stop it until it flooded the village. And no one was saved from the water except the little boy and the generous old woman who gave him shelter and milk. As he told him, he used the lesson as a boat and picked up the old woman. The whole village became a huge lake. It is now known as Rawapening Lake in Salatiga, Central Java, Indonesia.
Okay, good. Give applause to Bintang and Gila.
Yeay.
Okay, that's the title. Okay. Can anyone determine the language feature of the, oh no, can anyone determine the structure of the text? Anyone to answer? Structure. Tia, any can answer the structure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go on, Tia.
Paragraph 1
Mhm.
is orientation, sir.
Okay, good. And then?
And paragraph 2 in second paragraph is complication.
Okay, good. And last?
Last is for paragraph 4. Last paragraph is resolution.
Okay, good. Give applause to Tia for Tia. Okay.
Ya, tepuk tangan sendiri.
Yeah, sip. And then, can anyone determine the language feature of the text, please? Language feature?
Mahas,
Anyone
sir.
to answer? Okay.
Mahas want to try.
No.
Mahas. Oke, Mahas. Sebutin aja, misal kayak adverb of time-nya atau konektifnya. Ayo, Mahas, coba.
Bentar, sir.
Oke. Ya, Mas.
Once upon a time itu other of time.
Oke, good.
Terus mana ya? Finally itu connective. Kemudian he remind bla 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 itu direct speech.
Oke,
Selanjutnya yang help, wanted, was itu past tense.
oke, good. And then the
Udah
next
sih.
slide.
Oh, lanjut ya.
Iya, nanggung.
Oke.
Oke, sip.
Oke, terus suddenly itu connective.
Oke, good.
Full sama love itu action verb.
Mm-mm.
Terus became itu past tense. Udah,
Oke,
Sir.
good. Give applause for Mahas.
Yay!
Okay, now let's explain together. Okay, Legend of Frogning. Orientation is from once upon a time until the little boy. Okay, and then the complication is from finally until the old woman. Oh no, until the everybody was dumbfounded. Okay, there are complications. And then the last is resolution. Resolution start from suddenly until Central Java, Indonesia. Okay, and then is a language feature of narrative text. For the first is a troop of time. They are once upon a time, and then a connective. They are finally, and then their speech. There are zero man here. Please remind, if there is a food, you must save yourself. Use the lesson as a boat. Okay, and then past tense. There are came, was, knock, asked, wanted, helped, gave, and then thanked. And then adjective. There are a little poor boy, and then old woman. And the next slide, connective. There are suddenly and action verb. There are pull and log. And the last is past tense. There are spotted, folded, pick, and became. Okay, now is exercise. Please open the quizzes and I will share my room code. Okay, wait a minute. Oke, sebentar.
Bentar ya, Pak. Sinyalnya susah.
Oke. Sudah terlihat room code-nya?
Belum, Pak.
Belum. Oke, sebentar.
Sudah, Sir.
Sudah, oke.
Sudah, Pak.
Coba sekarang masuk ke roomnya. Baru 2 anak. Mahas sama Dea. Ayo yang lain ditunggu. Ini Nabila.
Pak, nanti ada hadiahnya, Pak.
Ada nanti hadiahnya menyusul. Oke. Hadiah.
Kodenya berapa?
Ayo. Siapa lagi yang belum? Bintang. Bintang sama Dea Elmas. Bintang, ayo. Sudah bisa masuk?
Sudah, Sir.
Aduh.
Oke. Mulai. Oke. Oke, Nabila memimpin. Nabila masih memimpin, kemudian ada Bintang, ketiga Mahas, dan yang terakhir ada Dea. Oke. Oke. The winner is Nabila. Give applause. Oke, nanti hadiahnya menyusul ya.
Oke, Pak.
Oke.
Sudah.
Now I will give you assessment. Make a group of 3 members, sort of narrative text, then determine the structure and language feature. And please collect it next week. Oke.
Oke.
Jadi
Sir.
saya kasih tugas kelompok ya buat minggu depan. Itu untuk mencari teks naratif, kemudian jelaskan mana strukturnya dan mana language feature-nya. Oke? Get my point?
Satu kelompok berapa orang?
Gimana? Bintang?
Satu kelompok berapa orang?
Satu kelompok 3 orang.
Bisa.
Nanti yang nggak masuk dikasih tahu ya. Nanti yang tidak masuk tolong dikasih tahu. Okay, finally we finish lesson today. Before we close, we say alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
See you next week. Wassalamualaikum
Alhamdulillah.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.